Okay, this is going to be a video of an unknown ceiling fan. It's in a house, one of my neighbor's houses, and I just hit the rug, and yeah, so here's the light. There's another light up there, that's what was making it like that. And first we're going to start off with some low speed. Not so fast. And by the way, one of the blades is warped. See? And so I think this is low speed. Low and slow. Like, I'll show you what it looks like from up above. Oh, gee. So that's what it looks like from above. There's that other light. It's like really hot upstairs. So this is low speed. Now we're gonna do medium speed. This one has a light kit. Maybe I'll look on the top, like now you can see the blade's warped. Does it say on top? See, there's the top. I'm getting so sweaty from, so that's medium speed. This is medium speed. Now we're gonna do high speed. Hear it coming, or I would say buzzing. Here's the top. Yeah, now we're gonna do off. Bye guys. Shut off the light. And by the way, I don't know if I can see, but it is filthy. It's filthy. Right, bye.